time when I say it. Right down to God. Right. And then way in the back, young lady. And young man. Alright, let me explain what's going on, guys. Okay, guys, now you're going to stay back away from it, because when you open up, they're going to go this way, guys. Alright, now I need everybody to step back a ways, because these birds are going to fly right at you, okay? Alright? Okay, so what these are homing pigeons. Homing pigeons is it's a common hobby that people have where they'll raise pigeons. They actually race them, and a lot of times they gamble on whose pigeons will get home first, and they time them and such. And you can train these birds where these birds could fly all the way to Chicago easily, and such. And so you can train them. These birds are going to fly back to the World Bird Sanctuary. These are European rock doves. They are not native to the United States. Our pigeon went extinct. It was called the passenger pigeon. The pigeons you see around here are wild European rock doves that have gone wild. They're not native. And they probably are here because of people having this hobby. And they've just sort of gotten loose. So if any of these happen not to make it back, then they just hang out with other pigeons. And so that's a little bit about pigeons. They're very smart. They've been used to carry messages. If we wanted to put a message on it and send it to the World Bird Sanctuary, we could. So we're going to give these folks a 1, 2, 3, and they're going to open the cages, and then the birds are going to be let go. So watch out, because they're going to come right at you guys. Okay, 1, 2, 3,
That's awkward. Oh, no, here we go.
He's like, it's cold.
Where'd they go? Look at him go. You're like,
Let me get out the way.
Wow, it was a good throw. All right, let's give our volunteers a big hand, guys.